Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all being safe with the COVID-19 virus that's going around, and I'm on like day 6 or 7 of working from home and sheltering in place. So I am catching up on videos, and I have shot like several Simply Gilded unboxing from the past few months. So I'm gonna put them all in one video because I have not posted them yet. So this one is from February and it's called Masterpiece. So let's get into it. As always, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. If you are a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you. And if you are new here, definitely subscribe. I appreciate you as well. So let's get into it. Let's find out what we have in the box. Okay, so the first thing that came out was this pretty pouch, and it is in this nice little like baby blue color with silver heart there detail, and then also this pretty purple pin came out. That's gorgeous. Let's see what's inside the pouch. Oh, look at that pin. Is that everything? Yep. That is everything. So that's everything that came inside the pouch. Looks like you could put like a little thing in here and carry this if you wanted to. Put that to the side. Of course, it comes with the card that tells you everything that's going to be in the box. Put that to the side here. Let's figure it out. Now, I am revealing everything that's in this box. So whatever the mystery item is, it will be a spoiler. This is very cute. This is a bookmark charm. So cute. You guys see that? Bookmark charm. Oh, and a pen holder or pencil holder. I love these. Keep my pens because I have a collection of pens that are on my desk. You can't see them, but I love, love, love these. Woo! This is a pretty pen. I usually love like gold or rose gold hardware, but this one is so gorgeous. The body is pink and oh my goodness, it's like ombre into blue. This is gorgeous. That's definitely going in my collection. We've got another pen. This one is silver glitter. Definitely going into the collection. So we got 3 pens there. Let's see. The washi tape. I always love, love, love the washi tape. That one is screaming my name for sure. Yeah, this one is screaming my name for sure. I love, love, love. Put that there. Oh, there's one more. I left out a washi. Left out that washi there. That's pretty. Put those on top here. And then we have, let's see. Looks like a notebook. Like a small notebook. The inside of this one looks like it might be just regular white. Looks pretty. And then you got the journaling card. This one says, you possess the key to inner peace. Oh, such a good thought for what the situation that's going on. That's nice. And then we have stickers, and I always love their bow stickers, like the big stickers. I use those to seal my envelopes when I'm sending pretty mail, and I am behind on sending pretty mail out, so I will be working on that as well, because what else can you do when you are on lockdown but create? So these are cute. Hopefully you could see that foil. These are very cute, and I think she's done these in gold too for another box. So those are really pretty. These are really, really pretty. Silver foil. Again, I'm normally a gold or rose gold girl, but these are really, really pretty. More stickers, more planner stickers. I love, love, love these. How cute. I love the bow stickers. Like, I have a collection of them. I just love them. And there's more with the silver foil. And then the last thing in the box is this one. More stickers with a silver foil. These are so pretty. So pretty. Again, I think, oh, I'm definitely gonna use these. Definitely use these. These are so pretty. It's not like necessarily my style, this box. Like it's not my favorite box, but they're very pretty and it's always very well done. So I'll probably use a lot of this, especially like the pens and stuff. And then give some other stuff to my friends who are also planner babes. So I'm going to insert last month's box and then probably the month before that. And you can see all of the different styles of boxes that Simply Gilded has had in the last 3 months. It's a really nice subscription. Like I love getting it from my P.O. box because there's just always like pretty things there that you can decorate your planner with. And the amazing thing is there's always like a pouch of some sort in the box, and I really I think it went up to $29.99 or somewhere around there per month, and I really think that it is so worth it. I mean, look at this pouch. Like anywhere else, this pouch would probably be 19 to 29, 99 or something like that. So you're getting a really amazing deal with all of the quality items that are in the box. So if you are not a Simply Gilded subscriber, you may want to subscribe. I'll leave a link down below. And yes, it's not sponsored or anything. I am a subscriber. I pay for my subscription. So I just wanted you guys to see what you can get. And let's go to last month's box. Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm excited to bring you new videos, and this one is an unboxing of the Simply Gilded Clarity box. I believe this was the box for December, but if you're not a Simply Gilded member, subscriber, then you definitely should be. I love their boxes. I feel like they're definitely worth, I think we pay about $29 with shipping. And I'm always happy with what comes in the box. So if you love unboxings, definitely stay tuned because you're going to love this one. Okay, so I went ahead and just took everything out of the box off camera so that we didn't have to fumble with the box and getting everything out. But it always comes with a card that describes everything that's going to be in the box, including the mystery item. And I am going to reveal the mystery item, so I'm going to show you everything that came in this December box. Okay, put that on the side. Okay, first, let's open this gorgeous little pouch here. How pretty is that? And this is rose gold and white. Love it. And this probably has the washi in there. The washi is always so beautiful. Ah! And there's 2 pins in there. Okay, I'm going to put the washi down first. I will show you guys the pins. So this is just a, let's see, a Sakura pin. Hopefully I pronounced that right. And let's see what the tip looks like here. There's the tip. And then you always get a Simply Gilded pin, which I love those. This is so pretty. So pretty. So gorgeous, if you guys can see that. And this has got rose gold detailing too, which is my favorite. So I love the rose gold and gold detail. That's my thing. She also has done some silver detailed pins, and I will do another video that shows my entire pin collection. I collect like 3 different types of pins, but this is one of them. Pretty. Okay, now let's get to the washi. Oh my god, dropping it. How pretty is this? Can you guys see this? Gorgeous. Every single one of them. I hope the camera is doing it justice. You guys do not understand. And this one is, looks like rose gold foil. Ah! This one is rose gold foil. How pretty. So pretty, so beautiful. And let's see, and this is another, like rose gold pattern. I love it. I can't tell like offhand what the pattern is. It kind of reminds me of I don't know, like lace. Gorgeous. This is a gorgeous floral pink pattern with a rose gold like line, thin line, if you guys can see that inside. Pretty. The signature Simply Gilded bow, and then there's a floral background. These are always so pretty. Like, to me, I think the box is worth it just off the washi, but you get so much more in there, so it's always nice. And they came in this pretty little pouch. Yay! Next, let's see what this is. 2020. What is this? Let's see. Gotta open this one. Is this a mystery item? Simply Gilded 2020 calendar. Let me look and see if this is the mystery item. I'm gonna check on the. Yeah, it looks like this might be the mystery item here. This is so pretty. And you guys know, if you've been here before, that pink is my favorite color. And so I love pink. And then the rose gold is just so pretty. I'm gonna have to hang this up. This is gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like hang it up on my wall or something. And then we've got a notebook. And I have been, if you are a subscriber to my channel and you've watched my videos before, you know that I've tried to stop like buying notebooks, like actually just going and buying a notebook, because I now use the Louis Vuitton notebooks and I try to get 1 or 2 a year and just use those for everything. But this doesn't count because it came in the box. So let's see, this is so pretty. So pretty, and it's got the pink lines. I like that. Very pretty. Okay, let's see what's next. Is this a notepad? This is a nice little notepad. I'm gonna take it out for you guys so you can see it. I love this because it's pink. This box is like my box, you know, how you, like the colors, everything. And I love this. It's kind of like an embossed foil detail. It's really nice, like when you feel it. Next item is this really pretty planner charm. I'll have to put that on my 2020 planner. Take this out. Oh, I think it just... Nice. I love it. Rose gold, floral. It's very girly, and I love, love, love anything that's girly and rose gold and pink and all of that. Nice. Love it. This is a journaling card. So this is reflection, honesty, clarity. This is really pretty. I keep all the journaling cards from, I need to figure out something to do with them. I think I'm going to put them in my planner like as a dashboard. And then you always get stickers too with the subscription. So hold on, let me find out. Let me open these. Yay! Oh my goodness, so pretty. So this is the first one. It is so pretty, so gorgeous, so fun. I love florals and I love pink, and the rose gold is just like tickling me right now. I love it. And then you always get like a set of bows there too, and the design is always different. But I use these like when I'm sending, you know, pretty mail. I put it on the back. So pretty. Can you guys see that foil detailing? It's a dreary day here, so like the natural light is not everything, but you guys just know this is some beautiful foil. And the quality is always amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So you get the stickers. Okay, so let's look. So we got the stickers. We got a pretty bow charm. Matches my nails. Did you guys notice that? And pretty notepad. I've got to put this on my desk because this is just gorgeous. It's like so gorgeous, almost you don't want to use them, but I've been determined that everything that I buy, I want to use, you know, and not just hoard stuff. This is gorgeous. The 2020 calendar, this is so pretty. I love that it's heart-shaped. Then we've got this nice pouch. And it looks like you can put you could put that charm on there, or I might be able to find like a strap or put a like some kind of string so I can have it as a wristlet. That would be amazing. We've got the beautiful pen. That's my dog in the background. Somebody is like walking down the hallway and he's gonna go nuts in a minute. So pretty. Uh-oh, that just fell, like, you can't see it, it's off camera, but it fell like behind my dresser, so great. These are the beautiful washi, gorgeous. Each one of them is just calling my name. And then last thing in the box, just so we could do a recap, is this Sakura pen. Sakura, maybe? That's the last thing in the box. Let me know if you guys down below are a Simply Gilded subscriber and what was your favorite item out of this box. If you're not, I will link to Simply Gilded's page. This is not like a sponsored video or anything. I'm just a subscriber and I want to show you guys the boxes more often. I've shown a few, I think, but you know, I show pretty much like my favorite ones, but I want to show all of them so you can get a different idea of the different styles that each month the box brings. So if you love unboxings, if you love planner supplies, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as one of my subscribers. So definitely hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next video. Bye.